There is no shortage of stories about accidents involving Amazon trucks. When someone driving an Amazon truck or other delivery truck causes an accident, the results are often catastrophic. These vehicles are typically larger than other vehicles on the road and can cause major injuries and property damage. If you or a loved one were hurt in a crash involving an Amazon truck, make sure to secure legal representation right away. Your lawyer can help you take the steps needed to pursue financial compensation for vehicle damage, medical expenses, and more. Determining liability for an Amazon truck accident. One particularly challenging area for most people who suffer injuries in Amazon truck accidents can be figuring out exactly who is responsible for covering injury costs. In Amazon truck accident cases, possible liable parties may include the truck driver, Amazon or a third-party delivery contractor, a motor vehicle manufacturer, a mechanic servicing a vehicle, or a government entity responsible for roadways. Your lawyer can help you determine who is liable for the crash, collect evidence, and build a strong case for damages. For more information and a free consultation, please call at 877-ASK4SAM or visit us online at www.ask4sam.net.